Hey there, welcome to Design Guy. I'll show you how to create eye-catching travel posters using Canva's free tools. Click Create and type Poster. Select the landscape option, then click Generate. This will create a new poster in landscape orientation for your project. Use this template to design your poster with the desired images, text, and colors. Once satisfied, save or export your work. This method quickly sets up a landscape poster, streamlining your creative process and helping you produce professional results efficiently. Let's load this file and lock it using one of these images. Select the desired image, then click the lock button to secure it. This will ensure your selection stays fixed for further editing or review. Next, click this option here to proceed with the task as shown, ensuring you follow each step carefully for success. Drag the object to the center until it snaps to the middle of the canvas. Click the Edit tab. Click Magic Span to highlight the desired text quickly. Click to expand this section for more detailed options and information related to your current task or project settings within the software interface. Here is our poster. To edit the specifications, click Edit at the top. Next, select Fill All to apply changes to the entire poster. You can choose between Magic Cloud or Text Cloud for the fill effect. After selecting your preferred option, click Complete to finalize the edits. This process updates the poster's design quickly and easily, ensuring your changes are applied uniformly. Use these steps anytime you want to adjust the poster's look or content efficiently. Let's explore this feature next. Then click the black color to select. Click the text tool to add text to your project. Type your desired content, then adjust the font, size, and color as needed. Position the text where you want it on the screen. This helps highlight important information and enhances your video's clarity and impact. Choose any font style from the menu to customize your text. Click the drop-down arrow, then scroll through the options to find the perfect font. Click your selection to apply it immediately, enhancing your document's design with ease. You can also select your preferred color option here. Duplicate the layer to apply additional effects. Select the layer, right-click, and choose Duplicate. Then, add your desired effects to the new layer. First, add a new layer. Then, apply effects by selecting the desired options. Choose the glow effect to enhance the image, giving it a bright, sunny appearance. Adjust the intensity until it looks natural. Next, group the layers by selecting them and clicking the Group button. This keeps your workspace organized and allows you to move or edit these layers together easily. Finally, review the result to ensure the effect matches your vision. Click the Back button to return to the previous screen. From there, select the clip you want to create or edit. This will bring you back to the main timeline for further adjustments. Enable the black hole feature by toggling the switch to the on position. Drag the object horizontally to the right, following the indicated direction precisely. Adjust the object to the desired position using the alignment tools. Click and drag to move it precisely on the canvas. Use grid lines or snap options to ensure accuracy. Zoom in if necessary for finer control. Confirm the placement visually, ensuring it aligns with other elements and maintains balance in your design. Once satisfied with the positioning, proceed to the next step in your project. Click behind the text to select it. Then, choose the desired option from the menu. Next, adjust your settings as needed. If you want to edit the text further, simply click the text box to make your changes. Continue modifying until you achieve the desired result. Click inside the box to activate it. Then, enter your text or data as needed. Use the tools provided to edit or format your input precisely within the box. Adjust the spirit by selecting the desired settings. Use the controls to fine-tune the parameters until you reach the preferred adjustment. Observe changes in real time to ensure the spirit matches your requirements precisely. Confirm the changes to save your adjustments. Drag the selected item to the right. This adjustment will align it precisely in your workspace. If necessary, use the grid or snapping features to ensure accuracy. Confirm the position by releasing the mouse button once the item is correctly placed. Next, check for any overlapping elements and adjust spacing accordingly. Use zoom controls to inspect details closely and make fine-tuned changes. If the software offers alignment tools, select the desired options to distribute objects evenly. Remember to save your work frequently to prevent data loss. Review your layout in preview mode to verify that all elements appear as intended. Make further tweaks if necessary, then finalize your design. Consistent use of guides and rulers will enhance. After completing your edits, click the Share button located at the top right corner of the screen. A menu will appear offering various sharing options. Choose your preferred method, such as email, messaging, or a cloud service. Enter the recipient's details or select a contact. Confirm and send the file. This process ensures your work is quickly and securely delivered to others without leaving the application. Always double check recipient information before sharing. Increase the image size to improve quality. Save your work as a PNG for digital use or a PDF for the best print results. Choose the format that suits your needs. Now you know how to design travel posters in Canva like, and subscribe for more creative tips.